Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see method overriding. If in inheritance you have function with the same name in the base class as well as the derived class, the function which was written last will be executed first. Means the derived class function will be executed if you create the derived class object. This is known as method overriding. This is done to change the functionality of the base class function. Let us understand this by example. You have a base class having one constructor, init method. It has self parameter representing that it is a object method. Means the object is created, then this method will be called. It accepts two argument in parameter a and b, and via a and b it is initializing its data member a and b. It has one more method display, which is displaying its data member using self.a and self.b. Click on the cell, run the cell, base class is created. Now you have a class derive which is inheriting the base class. Syntax is class derived class name in opening and closing parenthesis, name of the base class colon. You are writing the constructor of the derived class. It is taking four arguments as parameter a, b, c, d. First two parameter will be used for calling the constructor of the base class and initializing its data member. Next two argument which are in parameter c and d will be used for initializing its data members. Here we have a super method which creates a temporary object of the base class. It calls the constructor of the base class, pass a and b which are accepted as parameter a and b in the base class, and data member a and b are initialized. Then you initialize C and D data member in the derived class. Note you have function with the same name inside the derived class called as display. In this case, instead of printing only two data members, it is printing four data members A, B, C and D. Click on the cell and run the cell. Derived class is created. Now we create the object of derived class. To create the object of derived class, we have to call the constructor of derived class. So name of the class will be same. Inside opening and closing parenthesis, its constructor require four parameters. So we pass four arguments 10, 20, 30, 40. Derived class object will be created, which is dobj. Using dobj, we call display function. Display of derived class will be executed. You are having two display function here. The function with display function which was written last means the derived class display function was executed. Therefore, data member are 10, 20, 30, 40 is given at the output. If you check the content of the derived class object, you can see it has a, b indirectly, c, d directly, and only one display function which is of derived class. To implement method overriding, we need inheritance. Second, we need a function with the same name in the base class as well as the derived class, and we need to create a derived class object so that the function which was written last will be executed first. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.